As the power of attraction between you and your girlfriend depreciates with time, the same happens with cars. Now you would say, is this something to even discuss? Everyone knows that the value of car depreciates with time. What's new in this? Well, Elon Musk thinks this is not true with Tesla. Now, before diving deep into it, let us see how much the value of a car can depreciate. The moment you buy a car from the dealer, its value starts depreciating. And as old as the car gets, its value decreases even more. It is also said that the value of a car depreciates 20% in the first year and it decreases 15% every year for the next 5 to 6 years. But you know what? There was a phase when the value of used cars were appreciating. It was during COVID-19 lockdown, when the manufacturing units were shut and there was a shortage of new cars in the market, which eventually increased the prices of the used cars. Now, why I'm telling you this is because the value of used car never goes up unless there's an unprecedented situation in the market. So now we know why and how the value of a car depreciates. Let's go back to what Elon Musk thinks of Tesla cars. In 2019, Elon Musk said Tesla is an asset and not a liability. And the biggest reason behind this shocking claim was the Tesla's ability to self-drive. But what really changes with the self-driving feature that transforms a liability into an asset? Look, an asset is something that appreciates with time or makes money for you. Elon's idea with Tesla is somewhat similar. He believes that the early adopters of fully self-driving cars can make up to tens of thousands of dollars using Tesla cars. Let me explain how. The self-driving Tesla cars can go out on their own, work as taxis, and make money throughout the day. Which means car owners can relax in their homes, play baseball in their backyard, and get paid for almost doing nothing. This is what Elon Musk wants, clearly not what's happening in the market. Because the market trends clearly show that Tesla cars can lose their value faster than others. And here's a research done by IC Cars which validates the same. If you see, Tesla cars can lose their value at the speed of a bullet train. So what's stopping one of the most powerful people in the world from accomplishing his goal? Well, the goal seems pretty unachievable looking at the deadlines Elon Musk shared. In 2019, Elon Musk claimed by the end of this year, Tesla would release its fully self-driving car. He also said by the end of 2020, there will be 1 million self-driving cars deployed as robotaxis. But today, we are in 2024 and nothing much has changed so far. This is mainly because building a fully self-driving car is a mammoth task. Just think about the last time you were driving on a jam-packed road or carefully parking your car between two cars. It requires a lot of effort and control of the vehicle. And it's not easy to teach such a level of control to a machine. Experts have always categorized Musk's targets for Tesla as unachievable because of the deadlines he keeps. No doubt, Tesla is a revolutionary company. And whatever they do, it does affect the overall EV market. But making cars an asset is a whole different thing. You must have seen finance influencers asking you to rent and not buy. If the fully self-driving cars of Tesla become a reality, you will see a lot of finance influencers taking their words back. Though, Tesla has made some quite impressive improvements in the self-driving category. As in, the drivers can leave the steering for a while and the smart tech will take care of some turns and deal with the speed. But it is still not possible to leave the car on its own. Now, this also puts a major question on Elon Musk and Tesla's integrity. If the cars weren't ready, did they make such an exaggerated claim just to influence people to buy a Tesla with the hope of value appreciation in the future? And not just cars, but it might have also affected Tesla's stock price in investors' favor. See, if a company claims they're working on a revolutionary tech and it's going to be out soon, it becomes a no-brainer for investors to be bullish on that stock. But this does not end here. On 6th April 2024, Elon Musk shared on X that Tesla will unveil its robotaxis on the 8th of August. Now, this might have again excited the investors until the regulators informed that they haven't heard from Tesla regarding the approval for their fully self-driving cars or robotaxis. So, the question is, will we really see driverless cars on the roads of America by the end of this year? Or will the deadline be pushed again? Don't forget to comment down your thoughts. And if you found this video interesting, do give a like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll be back with another banger soon.